Want to build an LPS treehouse?
Mm-hmm.
I'll show you how.
There's lots of signs. And there is a decoration for the door.
Alright, so we're going to build an LPS treehouse. My daughter and her mom have built the little house. We have our cutting boards and a piece of plywood I cut from some plywood I have in the garage. Here's our tree branch taken from one of our trees. It was a dead branch, so cut it off. Ready to go. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our trusty drill. Grab a drill bit the size just a little smaller than the screw. The screw in the bottom of the branch at the base where it's thickest. And we'll go through the base of our biggest piece of wood, which will be this piece of plywood. And we'll create a small hole in the middle, and that's going to be the start. So let's get the drill ready. Alright, I guess I forgot to show the campfire. So next thing we'll do is we'll select our drill bit. So I'm going to put my screw here. Yep. Looks like that'll be just fine. Next thing I do is make our little pilot hole for the screw.
That's what I want to put it.
Very cool, baby. Next thing I'll do is I'll drill a hole into the base. Again, a pilot hole for the screw. So I'm just going to put it over top of the hole in the plywood, and I'll go ahead and I'll stick the drill through, drill straight through so I get a nice straight hole straight into my piece of wood through the plywood, so we get a nice pilot hole for the screw. Next, we just screw our screw through the bottom of the plywood into the bottom of the tree branch. Okay, so I've screwed the screw just a little bit inside of the wood so that it doesn't stick out and won't scratch any surfaces if you put this on something like wood, finished wood. And then we come around the other side. You can see how I screwed through the bottom up into the tree branch, and now we're ready for our platforms. Okay, so we're ready for our first platform. So I've just put the piece of wood onto the first branch, kind of where it balances naturally on its own. So I haven't put a screw through it yet, but I will. I'll do it the same way as the plywood. I'll drill through into the wood, and then I'll set the screw in. So with the tree branch, I used my miter saw and just cut it to what looked level with the bottom, so they were all sort of the same level. So I'm going to go ahead and screw the first platform on, and I'll screw the second platform on. I'll do it the same way. I'll balance the wood, I'll drill through a pilot hole, and then I'll sink the screws in, and I'll show you what it looks like in just a second when I get it done. Okay, and there we go. There we have our LPS treehouse. Ready to play with it?